Okay, so Heather was kind enough to send me this sticker book, and it is so cute. It's going to be really useful because, you know, I need lots of black boxes and lots of neutral stuff. So this is what we've got going on immediately. Black boxes. Yes. Yes. Thank you, Heather. Some of them have these little decorative florals in them, and then we have some little bullet points down there. Got a couple of those same pages, and then nice. This is great because I'm always looking for these like big double boxes, but typically they have like something else in them. And it's so helpful to have like a big area to write in. So I love that so much. We have some smaller boxes. Most are plain, but we do have some of those florals in there too. Lots of bullet points down the side. Okay, so now we have some quotes in Heather's handwriting, or in her lettering, I should say. Today's a gift, make today count, you can do hard things, attitude is everything. Stuff like that. We have 2 pages that are the same. And then we have a couple of habit trackers here. Today's top 3, highlight of the day, this week I want to, this month's focus. These are paper, by the way, and the other ones are clear. And then we have days of the week, and then this week. Okay, and then we have postpone, priority, planning, noted, get it done, organize, goals, reminder. And then we've got a bunch of very small letters here. They could probably go on those habit trackers or somewhere else. Workout, important, noted, social, bills, work, all that kind of stuff. 2 pages of those. Those are clear. And then these are exciting because you know I love black and white polka dots, you guys. You know I do. And so we've got these patterned boxes, which are great for layering. They are so awesome for layering. And I'm definitely going to be using those. And I love that we get 2 pages of that. Oh, look at these. So we've got these really pretty florals and on this black background, which is just super cool. It'd be good to like layer it with some bright colors or pastels. You know how I love like matching black with like brighter colors. And then we have a page of clear letter stickers. And these are those letters that have like the little florals on them. Very cute and trendy. We have a couple of those. Then some regular numbers here, which is super useful for me for sure, because I'm always like redating stuff. And these big numbers here, 2 pages of those. And then strips. I feel like this book was made for me for sure. So, you know, I love like strip stickers. So we've got a whole bunch here of different sizes and patterns. And then we have some like little doodle stickers here. These are on paper. We've got like a shopping cart and a little spray bottle and like a suitcase, stuff like that. And then we have some to-do list things right there. Here's different ones, you know, for working out, TV, manicure, stuff like that. Now these florals are on clear sticker paper and they are really pretty and they're bigger, which I love. You know, I love like the bigger stickers. So these are great and you can use them in like any spread. That's the thing. You can use them with other colors and it's not going to take away from the design of your page. You can also like layer them over color. You could even color underneath and put it on top or anything you want. Okay, so that is it. You get 1,482 stickers, and I think these are really useful. I think we can all use some black and white stickers in our lives. So I will put a link in the description. You can head on over there and check them out. Thanks again, Heather, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.